Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the Promata Mata2 TPMS. Let's open the box first. You'll see the display, the manual, 4 sensors, a wrench tool, the 3M sticker and the Velcro, and also the anti-theft lock nuts supplied. First, let's turn on the display by holding down the middle and the left button. Once the display is turned on, let's go and install the sensors. First, unscrew the valve cap from your tire valve. Take the front right sensor from the box and install it by screwing onto the tire firmly. If you see it alarming 0, that's normal, as the sensor is sending signals to the display. Now you can see the front right is 37. Now we can install the rest of the sensors the same way. So let's do the rear right sensor next. Taking the sensor marked rear right and screwing it on firmly. Rear left. Then install the front left sensor. And screw on the last sensor. Okay, now let's go and install the display. Now we will install the display. First, take out the Velcro. Remove the sticker on one side of the Velcro and stick it on the display. Now remove the sticker of the other side of the Velcro and then put it on the dash. And stick the display on the dashboard. And you're done. If any of the sensor information doesn't appear on the screen immediately, a short drive would usually resolve that. You can also choose to use the 3M sticker instead of the Velcro. The anti-theft lock nuts supplied can be used on the sensors if you're worried about it being stolen or screwed off easily, but they don't need to be installed for it to hold the sensor in place. Thanks for watching.